Everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try brinjal fry curry. So to get started, first I'm taking 3 tablespoons of peanuts. Just dry roast it and peel off the skin. So our peanuts are ready. Now take a pan, turn on the heat on a medium flame, add a little bit of oil, and I've got coriander seed 1 tablespoon, poppy seed 1 tablespoon, sesame seed 2 tablespoon, and few fenugreek seeds. Just add everything and just saute it. And also I've got 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Just add it. Okay, fry it for some time. So keep frying this until it turns little brown in color. Now I'm going to put this in a mixer jar and grind it to paste. Now I have added it to a mixer, and let's add our fried peanuts also, and let's grind it now. Add very little water and grind it. Our paste is ready. Next I'm taking brinjal and I'm going to show how to cut it now. Just make a cut here and then like this, another cut. Now I'll wash this brinjal in salt water. Just cut here and another cut. Let's wash our brinjal in salt water. Just soak it for a couple of minutes in salt water and then we can drain the water. Just to make sure if at all if there are any insects present, they get clean. Take a pan and add some 3 tablespoons of oil. And let's add our brinjal one by one. Just fry it for a few minutes. Apply oil all over it. And now let's take it out from oil. And in the same oil, now I'm adding little mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. And now I'm adding 2 red chili, little cumin seeds, and now few curry leaves and ginger garlic paste, and fry it for a while. And now I'm going to add our paste to this. Just mix it properly. Now I'm adding salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder, and just give it a gentle mix. And finally I'm adding little garam masala. Add a little bit of water and let it cook for a few minutes. As we can see, our gravy started to release that excess oil, so now is the good time to add our brinjal. Adding a little bit of water. So taste the gravy now and see if you have to adjust the salt or spice level. You can do so now, and then just close it with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. In the meantime, take a little bit of tamarind, soak it in little hot water and extract that tamarind juice. So it's been 10 minutes, so let's add our tamarind juice and give it a gentle mix and cook for another 5 minutes. Just cook for 5 minutes and then we should be done. So it's been 5 minutes. Before we turn off, I'm adding some coriander leaves and then I'll close it and I'm going to turn off. Now let's take a look at our gravy. Wow, it looks so good. So there's our curry, brinjal fried curry, and this is an excellent side dish with rice and chapati. So thanks for watching guys. Please give a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section.